Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country boss, that goes for you. Country girl, big up. 306, silent, nuclear roster man, big up. Trini boss, I see you shut off for me, but I'm busy dog, man, I lie. I hear things are going. See it there. Diana, Trini, Belize, St. Vincent, USA, Jamaica, Canada, and we can't forget England. See, on a big up. Well, look at the screen in front of you. The Supreme Court of Jamaica, the King Valley Gang. The youth Lindell Powell, him get 12 years for 2 murder. And everybody a talk about it. Now, my deep dive in it, trying to figure out why this man get 12 years for 2 murder. And I still can't find the reason. No, maybe the judge, when they make that decision here, that ruling here, yo, you must be there on something. Or something not going on with him. Or she, me don't know. But it don't look good at all. The DDP says shall appeal it. Cause they will ask for X amount of years, like 20 years. Now, like I said, I don't know why drag the judge for do that. But from seeing the history upon the youth, yeah, them call him Lazarus, Lindell Powell. Him and some of them youth, yeah, the King Valley man, them they go look for a brother with name Laika. Them catch him and slap him where and burn him down. And them find him sister, and you know what them do to she. And then I go say, you understand? Alright. Now me I get this from the witness where they in a them trial and them walk. Cause the judge said the witness did when name there inconsistent. And I guess the police them never record certain things properly or whatever. Maybe a rush job. Him say that the youth are Lazarus, Ratty, and Owen, and Catman, them go for Laika. Them stitch him up, jam him up, and then them say the elder one boy they never name elder take out the man them the man yai. Yo, the man them bloodthirsty dog. Boom. Yo. Him say Tommy, this witness at from trial, say that him want slap Lazarus' father to prevent Lazarus from using information about him role in the thing and betray him. So Now, Lazarus, that a Lindell right here, so we get the 12 years. The man them go off and father, the man them bloodthirsty, dog. This intra-gang war, yo, me no know how them boy I can't see them a giant gang at Jamaica or gang anyway. Are the worst set of gang them for join them Jamaican dirty boy, dog. Yo, remember me tell you, no, even the man may do something, you know, and him start turn on the man. Time say, Lazarus, that boy I will get the 12 years. Him feel him a go backstab it. You understand? So, it kind of makes sense how the police them say them find a phone in a jail, because Lazarus did in a jail, but maybe I didn't give them the phone. Oh, me don't know. But that you tell Lazarus maybe better off a prison where in the no workhouse. Because the man them go for him father and then them switch on it. You understand? So maybe that's why him say, listen, me I leave that thing alone, because the man them. You understand? So, like him say, Tommy say Lazarus, Lindell Powell are the only man the boy will get 12 years can get evidence against it, and that's why I want to get rid of him father for silence it. So, with that said, he might get a aha moment, because him Lazarus, him can't go back a road and go around them man, because like me say, the witness did done stated from 2020. You understand? That's why I'm plead guilty. Now, me don't know why the judge gave him 12 years. That's a mystery to me to blow out. But hopefully the prosecutor can appeal it and get the right sentence for that boy. But Lazarus, Lindell Powell, you better off stay a prison than you, because the man them a look for you like crazy. Me don't know what you do them. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. The sentence in here create history of Jamaica. That's all we know. I'm out.